Donald J. Trump is calling for a total and complete shutdown of Muslims entering the United States.
Dear Donald, my name is Abdulazez. I'm 18 years old. I'm one of the 4 million people who have fled from Syria. We left behind our hearts and the people that we lost. I'm sending you this message to congratulate you on the presidency, but also to remind you how much your words matter in deciding our future. We started the revolution holding roses, hoping for supporting from the international community. Years passed. The roses turned into guns, but the hope for support continues. Still, neither roses for hope helped. Your words matter for us. You might be able to change our future. I left Syria with my family 4 years ago. After the revolution started, nobody wanted to leave. But what can we do against the tanks? What can we do when death is falling from the sky? Like many others, we went to Turkey, and from there to Greece. We traveled, looking back to our cities, streets, houses being destroyed. We are weak. We wanted the international community support, and we know that it will come. Faith is what moved us, and faith is what is keeping us going. Now I'm a refugee. The hardest thing about living in a refugee camp is the isolation. People build walls around us, and countries build walls around these walls. Dear future president, borders kill dreams. I have seen dreams die before their body. It leaves that person with no soul. For those of us who still have faith, please don't build walls in front of us. Maybe today is my last day as a refugee, and tomorrow I will be safe somewhere in this world. Maybe I will go back to my beloved Syria and start rebuilding. Maybe I can still dream for one more day. Dear future president, we hope that someone can hear our words. We hope that you do.